My voice in a way, good evening, everyone. As you are, I'm thrilled to be here this evening as your host. It's my pleasure to introduce my co-host. He is talented, energetic, and full of charm. He is a songwriter, singer, as you have already seen, and a good dancer. He is Mr. Richard!
Thank you very much, Mr. Vipu. You know, PNTMD, this whole time I was thinking who must be my co-host, no? Who's that lucky girl who must be my co-host? But then this year, PNTMD decided to take bromance to a whole new level. Now, I'm with you, man, bro. Folks, what do they say again? Bros before? Bros before? Sisters. Got that wrong. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Vipu. My brother here, Mr. Vipu here, he's a singer-songwriter himself. He's a realist in life, but he's a romantic at heart. Give it up for the lover boy, Mr. Vipu, man, folks. Come on.
Thank you all for joining us this evening. We have an exciting lineup this evening. Throughout this event, we'll be enjoying with dance, songs, talent shows, and DJs. Are you excited? Yes. Are you excited? Yes. Let me hear you scream. Yes. As Mark Twain called it, the best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer someone else up. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have 2 rules tonight in this evening. So there's the first rule: shout, scream, and make some noise, and let's break the 4 walls. Think? All right. And the second rule is, remember the first rule. Are you with me? I can't hear you. Are you with me tonight? Are you with me? Thank you.
Thank you for the energy. Friends from other communities, I invite you to be honorary Pomai for today. I can see some of my friends, brothers and Asung here, sisters. I don't know your names, but thank you very much for coming today. You know, folks, we the Pomai community, we boast of our hospitality, and it is often our honor to host people in our simple homes, even over a simple dinner, even over a very humble dinner. And so, friends, please have fun to your maximum limit. If language is being a barrier to you today, if language is limiting you guys from having fun, pester the ones sitting next to you, pinch them maybe, tap them on the shoulders, and try to get the joke. Like, what is it? Try to understand the word. You know, friends, we don't have material things to offer, but we have something that is far more precious, and that is the gift of laughter. Let's all sing our hearts out, have fun together, and let's all go home with a full heart. But okay, enough with the talks, let's get to business. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the first act for today's event, the winners of Pomai Got Talent Season 4 and Season 5, Mr. Shovey, aka Pomai Don Williams, Mr. Rodokyu is a beatboxer, he's a guitarist, and he's also a singer, and accompanying him, Miss Rovine. Mr. Shovine gang, brother, the stage is all yours. Come and take it.
She buy my second hand, service my second hand. Sabana banu bay, itata my slow first hand. Sana banu do ho my way.
Madeline de Bon, ce jour la paix. Je suis pas dans ces plans, c'est pas ces plans. Bonne banana, il t'a moi c'est first thing. Ça ne banana, oh baby. Je sais pas si je m'aille, donc je m'aille. Thomas again, do mana mana percent pagkarohin
Yes. Please make some noise.
Come on, guys, man. Come on, the energy, man. Come on, man, guys. You can do better, man.
Please make some noise. That's it.
That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, thank you.
While movie my this is nedo while churu doesn't go while my baby have you here listen in the tabo while churu my does police go by well while movie my this is nedo while churu doesn't go while my baby have you here listen in the tabo while churu my does police go by well please oh my so the my Got talent here. Winners high. And our winners we are voice the way. As soon as I let I see the way. Listen here. No, right, you might say this. Without the natural one day. I can hear it, guys. Listen here. No, right, you might say this. Looking here. Sir, Commissary, thank you for sharing your talent with us and creating such a memorable experience tonight. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Brother Shoei and the gang, and the human robot that was here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now have a short hour of felicitation and acknowledgement. And for that, I request Ms. Kate Ronai, Stacy, Assistant Woman Coordinator, to come and take her time. Ms. Ronai. Ms. Ronai.
We will be standing here on behalf of the PNTMD executive to felicitate and acknowledge some of our esteemed members. First of all, on this auspicious event of PNTMD, we would like to felicitate who have achieved notable success in different fields. Here are some enviable achievements all of us want to obtain for ourselves. In this regard, here are some members who make all of us proud by achieving admirable feats. Therefore, in token of our appreciation, we the PNTMD would like to congratulate them for their outstanding achievement. Now, I would like to request our President of PNTMD, Mr. Rosalo Laksan, to the stage and do us the honor of handing over the presentation. In the field of academic, Mr. Mustafa Lawrence from Tungam Village cleared the UPSC CAPF AC exam with an all-Indian rank of 297. Congratulations, sir. Your hard work and dedications have truly paid off. We are incredibly proud of you. I invite Sir Mustafa Lawrence to come on stage and receive a token of appreciation from our President. Come on stage on receive on his behalf. Any relatives or friends of Sir Moscoso Lawrence? If there is none, I shall move on to the next. In the field of sports, Mr. P. Liko from Light Village bagged his second gold medal in the Open Club Kickboxing and Wrestling Championship 2024 organized by MCF MMA Fixed Zone Championship. I request Mr. Liko to come over to the stage and receive a token of appreciation from our President. If he is not present in our meetings, moving on to the next, we would like to acknowledge our former executive. They have been a pillar of support, sources of knowledge and inspiration for our community. I kindly request that each of you join us on stage to share in this momentous occasion as I call your name. Now, I would like to invite our General Secretary to the stage and do us the honor of handing over the presentation. Pulling out our former President, Ms. K.P. Imelda P. Panger, H.B. Papi, Vice President, followed by P. Roosevelt Lakson, General Secretary, who is also our present President. Followed by Bezir Zanamai, Assistant General Secretary, Finance Secretary R.Y. Kushinai Lili, Literary and Publicity Secretary Li Shiwi Lanamai, Social and Cultural Secretary Sheikh Hupi, Assistant Social and Cultural Secretary Samuel Bumai, Women's Affairs Secretary H. Sabrina Grace, Assistant Women Affairs Secretary Lily Naidana, Games and Sports Secretary R.D. Kupuna, Assistant Games and Sports Secretary R.D. Kupinu, Public Relations and Secretary David Purnapur. Thank you. Now we would like to acknowledge our former advisory board members. First we have Sir Mabhyong J. Vuba, Mr. Bana, Mr. Visalutro, Mr. W. Dashanel Vimai, Mr. D. Romeo Ruto. As I call out your names, I kindly request that each of you join us on stage. Sir Mabhyong Vuba, Mr. Bana, Mr. Visalutro, Mr. W. Dashanel Vimai, Mr. D. Romeo Ruto. Acknowledge our former members of Assembly Affairs. Assembly Speaker Mr. Razuvicha Homai, Deputy Deputy Speaker J. Kubi James, Assembly Secretary Mr. W. Zebri Paul, Assembly Speaker Mr. Razubi Chahomai, Deputy Speaker J. Kubi James, and Assembly Secretary Mr. Zebri Paul. Moving on, we have our former Youth Esteem Action Committee members, Dr. R.V. Wilkins and Dr. Riner Filamai. Dr. R.V. Wilkins and Mr. Riner Filamai. Next, we have the two gentlemen who will be hosting for the second session, Mr. Richard Hola and R.D. Vipuna. Welcome. Now I call upon all the members of Oh My God Talent Season 4 and 5 winners. Oh My God Talent Season 4 and 5 winners. Members of Oh My God Talent Season 4 and 5 winners, please come on the stage. I shall move on to the next. Next we have Zemidi, a comedy team from Nia, who will be entertaining the crowd with fun and laughter. I request Zemidi team to come on the stage. Followed by Miss Queen, who will entertain us with electrifying dance moves and steps later. I kindly invite the members' representative to come on stage and receive this token of appreciation from our president. Members' representative of Miss Queen, if you are here, kindly come on stage. Next we have artist DJ Ron from Nagaland. Miss Ram has years of experience catering to diverse music lovers, from electronic to hip-hop, classic with contemporary hits. I request DJ Ram to come on stage and receive a token of appreciation from our president. Next, I would like to call the judges of today's event who missed the first session presentation, Banner Lanamai James and Paiva Ramai. Next, we have Oh My God Talent donors. Next, we have Oh My God Talent donors, followed by Cultural Truth. Oh My God Talent donors. Oh My God Talent donors, if you guys are present in our meet, I request to kindly come on stage and receive the token of appreciation from our president. Request the representative to come on stage and receive a token of appreciation from our president. Cultural Truth's representative. Next, we have Jonathan Paul, Home Evangelist BBCB. Mr. Jonathan Paul, Home Evangelist BBCD. Moving on, we have Sound Engineering Team. Sound Engineering Team, projectionist Mr. L.S. Hubili, photographer Mr. Karen Amri, Mr. Vitu Rova, and Mr. Imithun Owen. First we have sound engineering team, followed by Vitu Rova, next Mr. Imithun Owen. And Miss Catherine, Miss Premi. Miss Catherine, Miss Premi, if you are here, I kindly request you to come on stage and receive a token of love and appreciation from our President. If they are not present in our means, lastly but not the least, Brother Rinal Filamai, who will pronounce the benedictions at the end of the program. Mr. Rinal Filamai, and if there is any representative of all the tribal units who did not receive the memento in the first session, I kindly request each of you to join us on stage. Tribal units representative who did not receive the memento in the first session, I kindly request each of you to join us on stage. If there is none left out, I will wind up the felicitations and acknowledgement from here. Thank you for the time. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the sessions. I have a great evening.
Make some noise. I can hear you guys. My giveaway, bắt đầu là ta đâu không nghe là dưới chiều ra nó bài hoa bài khoác từ bò là đi secondary nó nghe cho bài chủ đã là kitchen cure bong ra so so je de man da mya le ni my stage bar is the sin bắt đầu rồi rồi sao rồi cái đó kia là chỗ số bên là my khai rồi là bắt đầu rồi sao rồi let's scream and let's make some noise and practice well tonight. Are you with me tonight? Are you with me? If God bảo lại one destiny bảo cho Allah đi về. Laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. So you know, exciting items. I want to be Zamidi. Introducing the vibrant team from Zaimai, Liang. With the 2023 form studio globally, known for the infectious spirit of merrymaking, specializing in village jokes that deeply resonate. Their goals are to spread love and happiness. Joliza, my vision is Bali, scream so well. Let me hear you scream once. Guys, meet the dynamic artists who together create unforgettable moments and laughters and joy. Day Zanini! Let me hear you scream! Please take a time.
哦，Lucy，你知不知啊，Lucy 的好粗个好啪，哎不啦，嘿，Lucy 的看图片的脸上，प्यारे देखा मेरे जाने सनम आँखें खुली पाखन Lucy ubada ngore Lucy
喂，
喂喂喂
文丽，
哎啥呐是派回去先不诶这不能就得到我几步我是那个我做了那切不透了我意思
呀，反正欢迎那边其实我羡慕呀，那不那么傻呀。
哎是，人家这个不是好虚了呀，我做到这是，哎是，这个不嘛，这里是那个大词物为么？
是耶，觉得，那边是么的过开不起，抓回家那一啥什么的为么？
哎呀是，
我多一步办法，还有都真不办法，那么说一步车个话，得看到啥呀？啊，这就个意思，抓回家那为了肉量嘛，肉肉边那个。嘛，不管是去为地里面好呀，让肉呀，意思差不多差不多往哪里抓去，讲你不管往哪里。
是不是？那在包的呢，哦，多那么这一次回能那里呀？
让人家很烦呀喽。
所以那边现在在还有一个还traffic jam 嘛，traffic jam 过路对对，回能把忙还是，那个不来的那么走吧，只要回能我来的回能把忙还是。哎，你是个哎，你是几岁的吧？哎，就是你是啊。
对。
我妈呢？
但是那你还不知不包括也住过点人，人家保险有。
哎，靠出来。이거 왔다고 해야 되지? 이거 이내의 졸루와 와서 그래 아바니우다가 아야호
有个好可以哦。
是，内幕啊，你是白？
银子。mình phone với mù thôi không
哎，company，
谁知道 company 没生气呗？
Airtel 涨了，
呀，把会叫那种哈个不让路标位呀，别搞错了呀，嘛错标位。有啥办法？那是你什么名字呀？哎，还是打上了位呀？
哎，不是，
我这边人们那不会是日裤带到随便穿一吧？你说话一声男子欢喜呀？
呀，对了，我走，哎呀，是吧？我那记得刚是，不得那个理，不得会弄因为。
哦，那弄，那是那是为么？
我有搞过，记得不好的弄对，哎，那位真的记得搞过啥么子搞嘛？好了。
那个，生活是垃圾的搞回那吧？
哎，这我们呢，就不能只对到人只要看来是吧？也是。
就少回。
哎，这就生活了嘛。啊，然后布丁，哎，你family devotion pun lah. Pastor mai, bukan mai dia, tapi kitchen ni lebih cak, anak-anak, phone nak pixel bersih ya. Ini kalau hai jo, I miss you so much. I'm coming.
Lucy boyfriend नहीं था
Punya,
जी सर पुण्य बता Lucy जी cómo था
punya sao?
पुण्य या कुए या अच्छा how was that ya deh gue
कैसे क्या?
我到底不拿过来看。白呀，白呀，白呀，哎白呀。Ayah? Menerika juga? Hah? क्या? 80 रुपया? अरे यार, भैया 50 जना? भैया 50.
Recipe, mana lagi? Recipe tu.
80. Ini jaga.
Lucy过来听。Lucy，
你说会做律师机？我这就跑嘛，要不为什么要考编嘛？
我这就那么拿来呀 Christmas disco light 头不是为说摄影搞的是吧？
啊，这不，我边不都偷了嘛，开车也快吃嘛，带上你。
哦，这，是哪来的是
？Lucy，嘿，那个你们家谁不嘿？
呀，你们阿你头皮来弟弟我不以为你们小看了
为啥？
你说都不你是都不该不是啊？他都不年份这么，你说那lipstick 好啊，对，看是抖音，看你娃的我看你是抖音呀，一生口找手不呀，生日发一手不呀，你说他都哎，你什么呀？你马上再来啊，我你都不变。
哎，但那边不是带吧？
你打开。都不是本年我变呀！啊切，人都包打个包子包个啊！就看了，都不是不会嘛？你都是嘛搞肉也不会呀！我自己边着急偏慢慢的吹，嘛别的嘛搞肉也不好，不了当对吧？你都这边那个都包嘛，你都是在这边那个，你毛这。
哎，是那还就 break up 所以得那个说过也是个。
就是不觉得干脆。
哎，不是给他去这里这还这，不是加开西瓜嘛？哎，到底我就得说呀。
快点过来的，明天不急。
地铁里过去了，哎，搞不搞？那什么需要我的是2两我的车，对不对？说最后那么就晓得。没在报啥去，Wesley 伢了么个过了啥别这西歪呀，是这个呢，把里头还那是利息都也不一点改呀，别傻了，但是那包包那铺了，那里说好了，那个领啥不讲？
是，Lucy， 那，还能那个不？哎说，你这么急，来啦，我都真的慌。哎啥？上，要不然嘛？啊你到哪位？过来之后，你还不拿钱number one，钱number two。
那你们刚才那么想想我会也真的会。
那怎么？那怎么你这么想？你是不是不该带我了？
你那么想想会进来，你说朋友不可能。都บอกว่า你 I want to cry for one last time 我不是能多吗你什么都没得
能搞你也还不啦？那种 emotional 啊里说嘞 emotional 效率啊里，哇，开始了嘞。要揪心去长沙。朋友啊，让我们一起牢牢铭记要守你的心上。
样顺的心情呀，你们那里手片手也是好的。
So, jadi selama Dewi have a birthday, lama Dewi have a.
那个，Lucy，这位朋友嘛，
这边不也就你这边不呢？
哦，这是谁的呢？对。Oh, listen. When you break up to pay the control, listen.
呀，不也。
Listen.哇，我也不也是。那这个上次你啥呀？
像兄弟是像啥呀哇？
杨梅呀。就我啥的，你是买，他说你是来呀，都保安的呀，意思基本满是吧，全部那么多人接受，是的，意思老什么呢？不能白吃了一杯，意思没人追，不下馆的，这我也太多都买这样，你唱完什么就要不就那么啥了嘛，他了嘛呀，就一个人弄来完了。不该等待你是不是？
这不是你emotional lu说的，你lu写什么？
那你们上面，你是的话，
那你lu写什么拿的？一首不准的一说的。
干么去吗？Lucy，给我出来。
Alright，靠啥流利出来？
打死你！
现在被各位发的，
那个我，
加了么？
我phone number delete出来了，
不里面，
都不。
我跟你加不了。Memang ayu.
Tapi itu nu ya jual.
Oh.
Chà. Cái này nông chỉ xa ra liền gì rồi. Sự tổ ba cái rồi mà điều đại to, đó mà điều sơ. Kéo xì tư, hư số bé khó tư. Lucy, sao bố mẹ ít tổ bố xa hạ là bố mẹ bố mẹ nào, này tên lô dây sơ ra nó khó tư bên nào, hạ chỉ nó dây bông. Ý mà做嘛谁不几杯开来，也嘛做不了嘛。
但那个也不下了不都拆不，也还，因为但是不了，一到 president Rosalie Luxon 吧，不能得点了一个水嘛。哦 ，Hello president，你不能，哦 ，Hello 这也，你也别别拿，也是，哦，微不办那微不买，哦也，这你们都以人民的那什么老人子包白的，二十分拿手笔了也包哎。20分是本来也不是一个，所以到收入过来那如果说还到位也不是，这不能，就想屋里收归热也帮忙，是就对了你，那个包开也不能讲， Jim tôi nên cô ra có làm rất sâu bè nhà tôi là ta cả bao cái sâu bè ya pun rồi có rất ta vẫn sâu bè Allah ye bây giờ có phụ thuộc theo một gì nữa
是以大家哥，你是哪来对啦？大家哥是以这回，我比白其他也包住嘞。是啊，阿里那当时我会，那我别说是这个也是，我们的一改变也是不嘞。如果有没那天没那 I love you 被帮我呀，被这边你就拆了呀。
那就咱送妈妈也送我新路呗。不呗是接的黑要是可能会接的黑要，那让那新路人现在早出来对着接的，那是就是为那呢，就是 rips 那哎，那给47门不透明了。
嘿，是不管是别人那么爱都 Instagram 有把手机都是一帮做出来的。呀，就全边那尾巴去了，地头来我也往手。
哦，你说那 Flipkart 那 order 收还 Amazon hier ，delivery 跑了，daily 啥还？
就我为这个好了，是呀，deliver 回来了吗？
哎，是多少人都在还？一拖包都买比这看了一个。
呀，我 deliver 出来到那还，order 出到那还呀。
哎，是多少今天人都在还，都搞那个汤的啥还？因为啊，因为做不能那出来。
我要出来。
To their uncle to Lucy. Purul my car. Break into fish at the bit of my hand. Purul my car. Visual, visual, allow me to show you. Precious, break it into the head. Papa, I let you know my hand. Purul my car. Visual, visual, allow me to show you. Viano. Naya, we show it, the boss show it. Allow me to show it. Hey, set the sort of that. Now my job, my lawn is a positive value. Now my lawn is a population. Allah Barak Renu, take high more. Shock high, what goes you value? Zia, near top high, what's so much away, man. Zomozuma, the show, Mojuma, down night, Mojuma, dictately. Of a silver religion, not by. Ama khai bui wo mai we sub khai le moju bai ala awi shop khai le moju na bai ima re ye po pui lai wo written by Dopo with O positive blood Dopo na ba
Lucy.
Please.
Zoom, saya bakal ditolong je.
Kalau ya, apa itu lagi cium yang pagi ni lah.
Please, jangan Lucy, jangan please.
Beijing dah lah ya, pakai.
Ini ye julu awasho abure.
Jangan tengok ya.
就说哦，讲那个的3:30 sharp，哎呀，你别听到快过来呢，会不会？
Last 讲错，Last 讲错个嘞。
Pacaska flower, pupa, marigold, sunflower, pupa, pacaska flower. Bayar?
记住点，
啊？
记住点来，
pacaska do.
egg 对不对？
啊
egg， egg，
Ah, girlfriend.
wife， wife。
अच्छा ठीक है
Thank you, thank you.
हाँ सबको फ्री प्यूपा
Lucy，哎，你都回来过来的，我讲你吧，已经跨过来的是，
哎，我让路了，我家让看改吧。
这还不还好，主要搞不了没得上不得吃。Lucy，
走。
이내 손잡 더위 임마에 미신 요즘 샤만 하는 거야 뿌스 좀 샤만 하는 게 에이 짜다 글쎄 이내 타이런하가 맞다네 리시도 보이모 마이타 주다네 타이런 짜네 그냥 임마 더위 와 이제 분아 데리베 대비아 조이에 뽕에 제가 보라 내가 라마 프로그램 사다 솔로바이 봉네 어저래 쿠비사 뽕에 제리 좀 하고 뽕에 제리 왜 이제 보대서 아다 말이모 그러면 이제 보는 뽕에 제 프로 해 뽕에 제 프로서 때 어디스 캐페 혼데스는 어디 되나봐도 플레이션 저 오, 같은 거 그런 문제니 또200 square feet 되나 보네. 이제 리타이어 주래. 뭐 펜션은 아빠한테 듣고래 봐. 그때가 그래서 보면 이제 우리 폴로 있어 맞죠 정말 알아하고 가다 내내 땅에 내내 떠야 보면 이제 보지. 그래서 데리고서 내 자위네 시위네 ngaurai 제소노 소라마 숨자
狮子痛没？
내는 에 그래도 때문에 아 나서 내가 또
连死掉。
哎这哎这是气的气的哎
我是小狗进去找你，律师就我搞记账，你有细心唱搞睡觉，如但係會啲咧，你咪到嘢，收得咯，你會殺嚟嘅，如但係會啲嘅，會啲就這嘅。
唉，历史现实，嘛家家味道嘞，娃家味道嘞，对啥那啥吧不对口了么？还那社会被那片啥，还那社会被那么啥样的，嘛只要考个历史为第一还答对，历史现实炒股啊，说那些炒股是不是？啊，马苦了吃么些？真的大路上了，马就得里一马的一路，还是在马木就得里得里，啊，一那马位的，呀呢，保罗们那个维巴一派。In love, you will go through everything. You just need to humble yourself and accept. Lower your expectation. Set aside your ego. Sometimes, when you're wrong, apologize. And even when you're not mistaken, sometimes it's very important to apologize just to protect your relationship. So just as we have projected before the start of the show, this one's presented to all the lovers out there and also the one who are seeking. Thank you so much. That's Zamedi for you all. Here we have Martin here on stage. We are so many members, so those are the chair of This could be the final episode for our team. We really appreciate and thank you everyone. Thank you.
Have another round of applause for Jamie Lee, please. Thank you very much, Jamie. Now, folks talk about globalization. We're losing even romance to globalization. Now, once upon a time in the 80s, maybe if I was existent, if I had to write a letter to a girl, hello? Oh, sorry. If I had to write a letter to a girl, you know, and Deborah out here, I'd write my heart out, you know. Debbie, I miss you, man. Like that came from my heart. Love used to be innocent. Love used to be pure. But now AI is doing our jobs. So girls, if a guy is DMing you the best messages, think again. Thank you very much, Jamie D. Thank you for transporting us back in time. Thank you for the nostalgia. Jamie D. Thank you. Folks, the excitement continues. Thank you.
Don't forget rule number 1.
Folks, the excitement continues. It's time to put our freshers on the spotlight. Welcome to the freshers question round. But before we get there, I'd like to take this time to introduce some of our distinguished individuals who are here today as a jury board. I request our judges to be on their feet as I introduce them. In the first place, we have Mr. Banner James Lanamai. Mr. James boasts a very impressive portfolio. He's the winner of Mr. World 2022, first runners-up, Mr. International 2023, and now currently working as Models International Affairs Management in Rubaru, Mr. India. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. James, Banner James.
Secondly, we have Paiva Ramai. She is a talented singer and certified music educator with a diverse music background. She is a daughter of Amaja, oh Awi Maja. You know that song? Yes. So she is the daughter of that singer. She holds a degree with Western classical and rock and pop music from Trinity College, London Board. She has served as a soprano in a prestigious Delhi Chamber Choir. She has performed in several notable national and international events. She is Paiva Ramai.
I guess I'm the lazier host. My introduction is very brief and very short. Thank you for doing the extra job. Next, I'd like to introduce Miss Deborah Laviru. Miss Deborah. Miss Daps is the reigning Miss PNTM. She's also a very talented entrepreneur and a successful model by profession. Talk about the lady who ticks all the boxes. We have Miss Deborah here. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Deborah Laviru.
Fourthly, Daniel Khan. He is an instrumental music instructor with over 13 years of international teaching experience. He has taught music for over 10 years in Muscat, Oman. He received a Best Music Teacher award in a prestigious UK music competition. One of his students achieved first positions in online UK music competition. Many of his students have achieved distinctions in Trinity College of London examinations. He is Daniel Khan from Kuwait.
Ladies and gentlemen, Daniel Khan. Okay, and now as I call out the following names, I request the freshers, the top 10 freshers, to come up on the stage for the question round. Okay. Since it's two gentlemen hosting today, it's not ladies first, okay? It's gonna be gentlemen first today. So from the gentlemen's side, we have Mr. Dovi Ramai. Mr. Dovi Ramai. Mr. Dovi Ramai. Number two, Mr. Mashak. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Mr. Mashak. M-E-S-C-H-A-C-H. Mr. Mashak. Third, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson. Folks, rule number one. Come on. Rule number one. Folks. Fourth, Mr. Khaya Sham. K-H-Y-A-S-H-Y-A-M. Khaya Sham. Fifth, Asho Alex. Mr. Asho Alex. Mr. Asho Alex. Mr. Asho Alex. Okay. Ladies, we have Miss Nyawine. Miss Nyawine. Miss Nyawine.
Yes, in Tabaweo.
Second, we have Miss Shevine Paute. Shevine Paute. Shevine Paute. Third, Miss Mayon or Maywon. Mayon or Maywon. I'm not sure. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Miss
Ladies first,
Mayon.
okay. Not my raro. There's a Tabakan for anything with them. You then first, like on there. Ladies.
Nyawine, Shevine, Mayon, Maywon, Alice. Fourth, Miss Alice. Alice. Miss Alice. And fifth, Miss Kune. Miss Kune. Miss Kune. Miss Kune. Miss Nyawine, Miss Shevine, Miss Mayon, Maywon, Miss Alice, Miss Kune. Miss Kune. Okay. Two more. Kune is here. Two more. Ladies, come on.
So before we start, I'll just highlight the criteria on how we will judge all of you. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for joining us today. Your support and enthusiasm truly makes this event very, very special. To our freshers, a warm welcome. We wish you the best of luck as you embark on this exciting journey. Embrace every moment, learn, and make lasting memories. As we move forward, I want to share the criteria on which your performances will be judged. First of all, connection with the audiences, your confidence level, your stage presence, presence of mind, and how well you have prepared. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll ask the first question. May I know your name, please?
Dovey Ramai.
Mr. Dovey Ramai. So my question is, how do you think the use of drugs and alcohol is affecting you today? And what can we do to solve these problems? Do you want me to repeat the question?
Yes, please.
How do you think the use of drugs and alcohol is affecting the youth today? And what can we do to solve these problems?
Okay, thank you for the question. Alright, as we all know, that youths today are being so much influenced to drugs today. And many of us cannot reach our lives. Actually, maybe suppose like we're supposed to live for maximum 80, 90 years, but we live for 30, 40 years, and then that's all we live. And I feel like it's because of the influence of social media, also one another, and then due to availability of those drugs. And so I think we need more of counseling, and then conducting seminars and banning those drugs. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Miss Nyavini. Miss Shavini Pautik. Miss Shavini Pautik.
Hello. Hi, Shivani. Hi, here's a question for you. Moving from Manipur to Delhi can be challenging. How do you plan to overcome any difficulties you may face in this new environment? Do you want me to repeat the question? Sure. Moving from Manipur to Delhi can be challenging. How do you plan to overcome any difficulties you may face in this new environment?
I haven't really planned on it, but for me, I sleep. I get enough sleep. I try my best. 8 hours of sleep every night. Yeah, that's how I was, Yeah. Does it answer your question?
Thank you, Miss Shavini. Thank you. Next up, Mr. Mishak. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, huh?
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges, dignitaries, and all that prominent present here. I'm Mashak Ruben from Timbakuno village. I'm glad to be standing here. Feel welcome as a fresher.
So, I'm Mashak. My question to you is, who is your role model from the Pumayag Naga community, and how have they inspired you? So, Should I repeat the questions?
No, sir, I got the questions. I'm very sorry to say that actually I have no role model as Paul. However, like our pastor who bring the revival of Christianity during the cultural show here, being a headhunter to bring Christianity, that is my role model as a pastor. Since I saw it today, and that really inspired me. I'm second by the pastor who evangelized the people around here, and I'm glad to be a Christian today. Thank you very much.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mayuni. I'm 23 years of age.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing good, ma'am. Thank you for the question.
My question to you is, what qualities do you think make a great leader? Do you want me to repeat?
According to me, a good leader is someone who can humble himself and listen to his fellow being. It is not about leading the dominating people, and it is not about him taking the power and dominating people. It's about listening to his own fellow people, listening to the voice of audience, that he can bring a better change for tomorrow. Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Johnson.
Hello. Good evening again. Respected judges and my dear and beloved Pumana brothers and sisters.
Hello, Mr. Johnson.
Yes.
How are you doing today?
Yes.
You're looking very smart. You're looking very confident. So my question to you is, if you were to become a leader in Pomai community, what changes or improvement would you advocate for? Do you want me to repeat the question?
No, sir, I got it.
Okay, cool.
Okay, sir, so, yeah. Personally, I think the leadership among the Pomai community, I think it's already good enough to promote. But if I'm elected as, or if I'm the leaders, if I'm elected as the leaders to bring some new changes, I would introduce new ideas, like from extracting ideas from other communities, as well as promoting the Pomai cultures and letting the people explore more of our cultures. And leadership, I would say leadership, a leader who promotes or who delivers message of kindness, humbleness. Yes, thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Hi, Alice. Here is your question. What is the most significant issue which our generation faces today? What is the most significant issue which our generation faces today?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, it's a very important to to bring up. I think the most significant, significant issues, right?
Yes.
Okay, that would be using like mobile phones all the time. We tend to be procrastinating everything because we were watching I would say it's not very important. Watching all these videos on Instagram, Reels, Facebook and all, and wasting our time. As some people are students and some people are working, but they tend to waste their time using all these phones and all. So I think that's the most significant issue nowadays, like procrastinating everything because of mobile phones. Thank you so much.
Kaya Shayam. Sorry, huh? Name's too tough. Hi. Wish you were okay. As you know, Kashim Tao. Yeah, I'm from Oinam.
Hi, Mr. Tao. My question to you is, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I love you too. Thank you for the question. Okay, I see myself like in 5 years time, I'll be stable with my wife or with somebody. I'll be stable, I'll be stable so that sorry, my bad. In 5 years time, let me repeat after again and again. Thank you. In 5 years time, I'll be stable, I'll be happy to help someone who is in need, and I'll be grateful for what I am, and for what I am means everything. Last from the ladies, Miss Finney.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm so happy to be back on the stage again. My name is Kyunmi.
Hi, Kyuni. You look very elegant.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my question to you is, how would you describe or define the roles of women in our society today? Do you want me to repeat it again?
Thank you for the question. So, women has a lot of roles to play in our society in bringing unity. And first of all, women's role in the society is to bring calmness, as women are known for calmness and elegance, as well as humility. Women has a lot to do in bringing changes, even in the family. When the family is stable and calm, the men can go out and even make changes. So being a woman, the role model to be played, most important, it starts from home. So as a woman, I would stand that it has a lot to do at home first, and after that, when you are better at home, when you are independent, and when you get freedom at home, and when you get to do all the good things at home, you inspire others to be better, and that's how you can change the world. Start from home. Thank you.
From the gentleman, Mr. Ashok, Alex. Mr. Ashok. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening.
Hello, Mr.
Respected judges and you, my dear friends. My name is Ashok Alex. Yep, I'm from Marie Colin.
Hi, Mr. Aso Alex.
Ashok Alex, yes, sir.
Looking very smart today, huh?
Thanks, sir.
This is a great start for you, coming to Delhi, participating in this event, looking very smart.
Yep.
If you are single, I don't think you'll be single for a very long time now. So my question to you is, what's your hidden talent that could entertain everyone right now? What's your hidden talent?
Yeah, God has given me many talents, multiple talents. Yep. I'm good in singing. I'm good at playing music, as well as I'm good in the cooking job too. Yep.
So could you sing a song for us?
So I don't want your call, but I couldn't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, when the sun goes down and the pain won't play, I'll always remember us this way.
Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies Ladies and gentlemen, let me hear you scream once again. Thank you. Sure, just my brain is rolling. Cái tuần thì question bảo với chị là answer xong tao số mấy cái đối với câu số đấy. Cho just my dog, question số với tao là cho là. Bây giờ tao chỉ vui lên. Cái tao chỉ hỏi rồi đấy. Câu số đấy. Next cũng lên.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow Pomaina, today we embark on a vibrant journey through the rich heritage of the Pomai tribe. Get ready to experience the captivating rhythms, stunning costumes, and timeless traditions that define our community. Tonight, we proudly share our heritage with you all. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome the cultural troops on the stage.
can't hear you. Let's give them a big round of applause once again. Thank you to all the entire cultural show team for your outstanding performance. Beautifully showcased the richness and artistic of our heritage through stunning design and creativity. We are grateful for the incredible celebrations of fashions and cultures and brought to the event. Thank you so much. Next week was an exercise a little. So when I say hey yo, you say hey yo, okay? Alright. Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Let me hear you scream! Hey yo! Once more! Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Now sing to me back. Hey yo! I can't hear you, ladies and gentlemen. Let me hear you scream. Hey yo! Better.
Thank you, Mr. Weibu. Folks, the search for stardom begins today. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the season 6 of Pomoy's Got Talent. Are you excited, guys? Season 6, man, Pomoy's Got Talent. Who knows, we could have in our midst today the next Harry Styles, maybe. Zayn Malik, maybe. Or maybe the next Simon Cowell out here. Amanda Holden, maybe. But before I'd like to capture the excitement once again. Before that, if the judges have any criteria based on which you would judge, if you would like to elaborate a little bit, any of you.
Criteria for the judgment will be as follows. First, we will see the presentations, how they present on the stage. And secondly, we will be seeing their performance. And thirdly, we'll see their creativity. These are the 3 criteria we'll judge on that. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pomoy's Got Talent Season 6. Are we excited? Come on, man. The energy. Guys. Rule number one. Are we excited? Thank you. I like that. Okay, now as I pull out the serial numbers, I request the participants to come and take their time, one after another. Serial number 1. It's a very interesting name. Jesus Toddler. Serial number 1. Jesus Toddler, stage is yours.
Master Joy!
Good evening, friends. I'll be singing a song called Tell the World. Let's have some fun. Hello. Check.
Stadler, man. Ladies and gentlemen, one more round of applause, please. Jesus Stadler, aka Mr. Savio. Thank you very much once again. Serial number 2, Mr. J. Kuzalu. Mr. J. Kuzalu.
And then this song is called Knocking on Heaven's Door by Guns N' Roses. Come on in.
Thank you very much. Once more. Guys, once more. Kiss the mic. Serial number 3.
Richard Hui, you had I mean, you told someone I will my channel, Suji.
Thank you very much. Serial number 4, Mr. Agit. Agit or Agit. AGAT, Mr. Agit. Can you come and take the time?
My name is not weird. My name is again, I am from Khungdei Kuman, a beautiful village. The title of my song for this evening is Stony by Lobo.
Thank you. Guys, once more. Let's give it up for brother again. Once more. Mr. Frangao.
I'm Frangao from Keishipong village. And the song which I'm gonna sing, which is, I think they call this Love by Hello Trains Rain.
and gentlemen, I want to hear your voice. Please scream. I can hear you guys. Let me hear you scream! Thank you. Kalau sudah, myself, kita masuk belajar joy. Ada participants pada competitors pada, kita semua sudah, jadi judge pada, kita pakai kostum dari, kau boleh kira, jadi judge pada mana boleh. So very exciting. Next item I dive is either guest legendary K Nano. Chalala. This guy is a very brewing, very good. He's a famous singer, composer, songwriter, and live performers. Since 1990. He has more than 100 songs. Allah punya suju hai punya film mobile film playback suju list YouTube ka Allah lawali kata Ahiko Lepas semua ni tau kita lepas semua ke biar dia kolah subuh Kalau iwa pada ni, dia sung ni, alah jual je, beli lalu kita wei sung kalau sung le je hai, puisi tajuk, kena na, tralala, future lalu dah tralala tu sung lah, mari sini, please give a big round of applause and welcome K Nana Tralala.
Betul, wish you go ke ni sung ni be. 这做你手来，老手不就来你手不就嘛？老阿里手就还不为老还招手的大宝买，过阿里边呢是阿里边的大就老开的呗，就因你手来就老还，一阿不不呢上回日都是那么的呗，啊那老还那手台呢，那tra la la，你日打但是这都是 first song。 ini lo surat kaju lo ahani ini audio cassette adi suki surat kaju lo hana pue suku lo hana hai di point kilomai lo si hai na si ju voice ni bete mo na si lo ni raju be na si lo ni bete be ma bet koti mo ni raju be lo hana hai Awi ini daju low surai kaju low ana low hana sepoi ni history ko ali biju low biju semua seni paun be Mấy số đó lâu sư biểu về hai số bên này cô lên thì mấy số số chỗ đó vào biểu lại số mà tao cô lên số chỗ lại kia chú số lại chú lâu ha lâu đã chú ha mấy anh ấy về bán nên ta ra thì chú lấy bảo đấy chú về lâu ha na ha mấy số mấy bữa bữa chả cái số này
Hello.
My susu, my baby, my tango body, tajabu baby. My susu, my baby, my tango body, julia baby.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
next is about you like. Kalau sure, ayo sini. As lo so yo hai, so sure. Lah, mai so dao. Dao masuk boleh joy. Wah moge. Wah moge. Popular, dengar ni. Kau kan juga popular. So the joy of next is like. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to bring some energy on the stage. This group consists of 8 members from different part of Northeast. Formed on July 2024, the motive is to enjoy youthful life and spread love through dancing. Now, forget all your worries and enjoy the show. Please join me in welcoming the incredible Mix Win! Ladies and gentlemen, kalau nak ni mai popular, ayo tahu next ni siapa juga. Kalau sure, ayo sini. As lo so yo hai, so sure. Lah, mai so dao. Dao masuk boleh joy. Wah moge. Wah moge. Popular, dengar ni. Kau kan juga popular. So the joy of next is like. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to bring some energy on the stage. This group consists of 8 members from different part of Northeast. Formed on July 2024, the motive is to enjoy youthful life and spread love through dancing. Now, forget all your worries and enjoy the show. Please join me in welcoming the incredible Mix Win!
साथ ना भी क्या इतनी Hands on his head. And baby, I want it, and I just be honest, cause I just can't front when I look at you. Just keep it 100 when I throw these hundreds. I hope that your ass got nice.
Call me El Gato. I'm the big boss and I got big bread. I'm big headed and I like good head. I'm not cheap, baby, and I'm shutting myself. Taking like Elvis down to broke my pelvis. Jumping off the top rope, got 'em take teaming. Stunning on the show, I got the whole crowd screaming. Pushing with the bread, I'm like I'm top notch free. Act like I'm a treat when a dog see me. Like a thief in the night, like she stole my green. Got me walking out the scene like a hole in the jeans.
Warning. The stunts in this movie. Hey, shut the fuck up!
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big step. Underground guards, notch holes, get the most, not the links of heart. Straight temper, but I think I'm the boss. Pushing culture, baby, got that body, you can't run your arm. Driving singer, smoking while I'm bumping, watching patch. Yeah, I wanna do the city with the big dogs. Fuck the laws, loyal with the green, not the cows. To be inside with the product, they don't feel allowed. That's how you make the money pop for everyone involved. If you don't deserve a costume, we will cut them off. My barber got me looking pop every single time. Fresh dead, getting fitted on that top bread. You ain't rocking out of lies, so then we'll be young. And you know I got it boy for that one too gone. R.I.D. is in your memory, we can't be young. When I die, they will not bury me, that's what I want. With my body, put my ashes in the river, y'all. That's how we know it, that flow, about to keep me young. See, immortality's a fallacy, I think we're wrong. This other family will carry me to where we young. Anything you've ever known, anything you've done. That's me, how you do that, how you live like this. Why you worry about it? Get up on my head, get up and do it. What you think it is? We ain't worried about it. Watch it straight up with that. Ask me how you get like.
Ladies and gentlemen, once more, Mixed Wings. Give it up for Mixed Wings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Mixed Wings, for the electrifying performance. You guys rock the stage. Thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. The moment we've all been waiting for. Suspense is over. The judges has decided. It's time to declare Pomai's Got Talent, the result of Pomai's Got Talent Season 6. From the people's opinion, who do you think won?
Pastor Joy!
Can't hear you guys, man. Come on.
Pastor Joy!
Yes, guys.
Before I declare the result, I request Mr. President to come up on the stage.
The runners-up of Pomai Naga Chudmaime Delhi Got Talent is... Guess who? I can't hear you guys. Are you not excited? Ito ba mo? Wala jumwa pa ma do ma ako. Tholai pa ke. Runs up. Runs up tholai pa ke. Kuzulu. Mr. Kuzulu, the runners-up of PMDMD Got Talent. Guys, make some noise. What the way of noise in this game? Mr. Kuzulu, and then it's Kuzulu. Louder, please. Congratulations, Kyujiru.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Pomai's Got Talent Season 6 is... Season 6 is... My brother, Mr. Agay. Mr. Agay. Winner of PGT Season 6, Mr. Agay. Come on, come on. Tony.
Give them a big round of applause, guys. Make some noise for him.
Moment of glory left. After an impressive showcase of beauty, intelligence, and cultural pride, we proudly present to you all Mr. PNTMD, Mr. Freshers 2024, Mr. PNTMD 2024, Mr. Asho Alex. Mr. Asho Alex.
2024 Tawage. Any guess? Any guess? Notify हो रहा है Miss Tawage. Okay, you're right. Miss Cune. Congratulations, guys. Few high ground high previous year 2023 Mr. and Mrs. Miss PNTMD and Solan. Make some noise, guys. Are you not excited? Give them a big round of applause to our new Miss and Mr. 2024. Boleh bawa boleh kan? Kita bawa sama.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Miss PNTMD 2024. Rule number 1, come on guys, rule number 1.
Give them a big round of applause once again, guys.
Congratulations.
Applause, guys. Are you still waving? Are you hungry? Kita buy more. Mak yang buy more, baju cuci dan itu kitchen closer ke, kita buy kini available ada sini rawa. Let me hear you scream once again, guys. Thank you. Joe, itu next is Chalala Lukilire. Kayo na mo gay dito. Kayo na mo gay. Kayo na mo gay. I can hear. Hapa ma daw kayo mo ba? Kaya mo daw ma daw kayo na ni. Hapa ma daw kayo mo gay. Pa ma daw kayo mo gay. Okay. So ito telepoy sila ito we special appearance K Nana Chalala. Tuwing telepoy ni ba? May wis ni. Let me hear you scream once again. Thank you.
Nali biki low. You baby, nali matar even in the bar, let's let it right. You keep with the him. You keep with the him is the visual for park guy on the name. Let's see right. Let's see right. So that.
Flashlight guys.
Đi vào bàn này đây, vào bàn này đây.
audience. They will show. Vamoge. Maybe he is really a legendary classic singer. Legendary Java du Baba. Tao we pai rao ju dia. Zhe kai wong lai ne di ne. Yu gu yong biu pai a. Di mai zhe lu zhe pai da ge da ya na. Biu pai le zhe ne we give right. Legend Java. Biu ye track su da ye. This is ne gao na ne ko ye.
Cái fix su cái chỉ lo hà linh su biu su le. My pop is you. My pop is you. Ibu su su le. My pop dân yêu ga dư ở đi hàng tôi sẽ dư cùng tia rong tôi va số vào dư ngầu môi ta nghe với chi chi chỉ ta nghe với chi chi hay giờ yêu ga dư vào đi hàng đi phong bây giờ ga dư vào dư ai thấy sao đừng về đâu đây my poker, the new guy you are behind. My poker, my cheetah, she li kai chiu lo hoi. Ne my new cha lai she, oh lo hai lo tu she. My cha you ne ba jo li so lo moi. They pao my son, ga ju ba ju. Hai tay sa ne về đâu đây. Sana, thứ đồ khai bộ một điều, thứ mà có thể hiểu. Nhưng bỏ lúc này đi, lúc này là buổi này như mày được rồi. Đi phong như mày bố cơ, dân như ra chữ ở lý hai. Khá mày sao mày khai đi, đeo rai mày đi chữ lý hai. Chỉ phá cái phá vi vi, sợ phá cái khung bung bung. Mày giờ nếu nhà mày sao mày khai đi đeo. Đi phong bây giờ đã dư bà dư hai tay xa niềm mê đâu đây đi phong như mày bố cơ giờ như đã dư hà đi hai mày bố cơ dư mày giờ mày nghe lúc chia khai ra môi đi phong bây giờ đã dư và dư hai tay xa niềm về đâu đây
Mọi người vào một ghế. Cái biết một ghế. Anh bao nhiêu lần làm người không có lặng lên thì quay trường mà. Vậy một executive mà đâu, mà đâu vậy một bài rồi này. Anh đâu cho bố lên này, thì làm đâu mà đâu lên vai không? Vào một ghế. Joy đâu next này số cuốn rồi. Richard.
Folks, we have saved the best for the last. You guys want to dance your sorrows away? Yeah! You guys want to dance your sorrows away? Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, we have an incredible talent in the house, known for electrifying beats and amazing mixes. Please put your hands together for DJ Ron! DJ Ron! All the way from Nagaland!
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Happy. Are you guys excited? All right. Can we all stand on our feet? Because it won't be fun if you don't stand, right? All right, let's do this one.
starstruck. She woke me up daily, don't need no Starbucks. She make my heart pound and skip a beat when I see her in the street and at school on the playground. But I really wanna see her on the weekend. She knows she got me dazing, cause she was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking, but I just keep on saying.
This song is dedicated to that person. I forgot his name, but yeah, this one's for you.
Salam
보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선호해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해 근육보다 사상이 볼통볼통한 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 지금부터 언제까지 가볼까
again, this is C. Chiron signing out. If you know this song, let's sing it all together. Good work, everybody. We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on the balcony, summer air. Let's go. Come on, guys, join me.
by Europe for the last trick. Come on. Ready? Come back, guys.
Thank you so much for your incredible performance tonight. Your energy and music truly set a perfect work. And I just wanted to say you are magnificent. Your hard work and talent you brought to the stage, you made the night unforgettable. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the fantastic DJ Ram! Richard, to you now.
Yeah. Vote of thanks. Vote of thanks. I ask Mr. R.S. Juwiko Nyapu, Vice President PNTMD, to come and take the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. How was your day? All right. I hope you're having fun and still thirsty. All right. I know. Vote of thanks is the most boring part of the program, but I will try to be as good as possible throughout. It is a great honor and privilege for me to stand before you today. I, on behalf of the executive team, extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who have gathered here for this special 35th PNTMD with our winner 2024. May I begin with our gracious host, Ms. Anna Ruth, Mr. Joey Roberts, Mr. Richard Kula, and Mr. Wikuni Wilson. Thank you for guiding us seamlessly throughout this program. Special thank you to our honorable chief guest, Free Jake Mosha, Michael Legislative Assembly, 47th Crown Assembly Constituency, our esteemed guest of honor, Free Anson Pai IAS, Director of Department of School Education and Literacy in the Ministry of Education, Government of India, Free People Among IPS, Joint Commissioner of Police Security, Delhi Police, and of course our special guest, Madam Marina, wife of our Sri J. Mosha. Thank you for your sweet precious time from your busy schedule to grace these occasions with your inspiring speech of wisdom. We are also honored by the presence of our distinguished special invitees, such as special units of Northeastern region, Pumai Nada Unit Delhi, Pumai Baptist Church Delhi, Pumai Nada Catholic Delhi, Nada Student Union Delhi, Recent Commissioner of Nagaland House, all the tribal units, and all the dignitaries. Your love and support with your presence means a lot to us. We extend our deepest gratitude to Mr. Jonathan Powell, Home Evangelist, PDCD, for the meaningful invocation that set the spiritual tone for this evening. I also express our heartfelt thanks to Mr. Paul Besson, the President of PNCMD, for his inspiring benediction and blessing our food, making our lives even more special. Our deepest thanks to our special adherents, Mr. K. Namadrama, all the way from Manipur Village, and our special artist, Miss DJ Rail, all the way from London, for setting up the perfect vibes. Your beats truly brought this evening to life, keeping us all on our feet and making it a light to the land. How can we also forget our humor brought by Zanity, as always, making our evening even more delightful. We were thrilled by groups in rhythm, the cultural dance troupe by Kuba Village, the beautiful performance by Solar Kwar, and mixed with the truly captivating, showcasing the rich culture of our community. Thank you for your incredible talent and for creating an electrifying atmosphere. Once again, let's all give a big round of applause to all our powerful men. To all our powerful men. Yeah. My heartfelt thanks to all our panel judges for the Pumai Got Talent, Mr. Daniel Lamajan, Mr. Daniel Carr, Miss Paiva Ramai, and Miss Deborah Liberu for your precious time and thoughtful judgment. We also thank all the performers for sharing and showcasing the beautiful talents with us. Your performance is truly remarkable. We sincerely appreciate the generosity of our donors, especially the sponsor who support Oh My Got Talent. We deeply appreciate all the kindness and support from our wonderful families and to all the good Samaritans present here in Delhi. Though my words may not suffice to fully express individually, and I'm afraid as we have a limited time, but please know that we are deeply grateful for your loving gesture and kindness. Your generosity has a significant impact and we will remain forever indebted to you. A special thanks to the photographers, videographers, sounds and music engineers and projectionists who work tirelessly to ensure everything runs smoothly. And also to all the decoration team, thank you for transforming this very beautiful place. Lastly, a big thank you to We House of Indian Cuisine for providing the delicious meal that we all enjoy. Last but not least, how can we forget to acknowledge our seniors, advisory boards, assembly appeals, and our formal executives, whose vision, leadership, and commitment have been the cornerstone for all our achievements. Your legacy continues to inspire us. We are also grateful for the entire volunteers, reception and registration team for their hard work behind the scenes, from welcoming our honorable chief guests to managing registration. Your contribution has not gone unnoticed. We are deeply grateful for your time, effort, energy, and unwavering support. Thank you for your outstanding service. A heartfelt thank goes to our committee of Cultural Medicine. Your hard work, dedication, and creative inputs have been instrumental in highlighting our culture and spreading our message far and wide. Your contributions go beyond words, and we look forward to many more collaborations. Finally, a special thank to Assis Kumar, the owner of Shah Auditorium, for graciously providing us with this beautiful venue. Your hospitality and support have been truly appreciated, and it has provided the perfect setting for today's evening. Before I conclude, I would like to acknowledge our sincere apology if I have inadvertently failed to mention or address anyone who deserves recognition during this short speech. My heartfelt gratitude extends to everyone present here today. Your contributions are truly appreciated. Thank you for your participation and support. This event would not have been successful without your prayer and involvement. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to all members present here for proudly showcasing and promoting our rich traditional attire, especially our cultural show team. Your dedication in keeping our cultural heritage alive through your beautiful outfits is truly amazing. It is a testament to the pride we all share in our tradition. Therefore, I strongly encourage you to carry this spirit forward in years to come, and sharing that its beauty and significance endures for future generations. As we conclude, may the rich culture of Umayya continue to strive, upholding its values and traditions of excellence. May this 35th PMTM Living 2024 stand as a lasting inspiration guiding future generations towards unity and a life of prosperity. Thank you all once again. God bless you and have a wonderful evening. Long live PMTM.
Colorado Vice President and Board of Thames Bawini. Jo Kaizu Modini. Yang kalau born in Richard Hagi, the Lewan executive Madao, allow audience Madao. You guys are wonderful. Kalau sore, Jo, Thailand Nagodone, Kaizu Lere, either way, benediction high, Rin phê la mai cứ bạp tập bộ lấy cắt lấy
All glory and honor to our God. So we all lift to God in prayer. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Swear here, Ramai Mako, Jehovah, Christian, come upon the Paul, Ramai Zoo, taking Ramai, Tiller, we show people, Ramai Mako, Shure, also, the Ramai. Zoo, taking Sulia, the Pula, the Ramai, also, the people, the first section of the second section. In the course of the Ramai, the 35 we are why thank you, Lord Jesus, for your love and for your protection and for the wisdom that you have given to each one of us to have this fellowship in this very manner. And thank you, Lord Jesus, for bringing each one of us to this place to have these celebrations. Oh Lord Jesus, there are many people who have worked behind the scenes to make this even a very successful one. Lord Jesus, may you continue to bless them as they work for the society, for the community, even in the future, in the days to come. And Lord Jesus, as we dismiss from this very place, dismiss us with your love and with your care and protection until we meet in this very manner. Oh, I make this prayer in the blessed name of Jesus of Nazareth. Amen.
information li bang hai chu ai do chu DJ hai DJ rang ba hai chu South Extension ni classic bar and restaurant ni perform chu lesson ni dal kulu we ni paune be Kalau saya mau sini mewah